What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Isaac Turner, and I just learned an Instagram hack that I want to share with you, and that's basically changing the font in your description of your Instagram picture. Pretty cool. I've had some people asking me how to do it, so this is the tutorial on how to do it, and we're going to jump to the screenshot right now. Cool. So, first thing you want to do, so let me show you what I'm talking about. You go to Instagram, and let's look at my latest post here. So if you look right here, you see the italic text on it. So if you go to the regular feed, everything's, you know, same old Instagram regular old text, but you go to mine, and I got that italic text right here, and I got that italic text right here. And everybody's asking me, yo, how do you do that? How do you do that? And it's super simple. I'm gonna tell you right now. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna upload a picture like you normally would. So upload this same one. Blah, blah, blah. You guys know how to do all this. And you're gonna type your caption. So here is my caption. Test, right? So copy this. And this is what you would normally, dang, come on, little guy, come on. Usually it's a lot easier to select this. Bam. Dang. Oh, I'm gonna select all. Anyways, copy. That's what you normally do your caption, location, da-da-da. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave that. You're gonna go to Safari, or if you're on Android, whatever it's called. Now, you just want to go up here and you want to go to mess letters, right? This is basically, it's not an app, but it's like a website you can go to do this, right? So it's going to use cookies to be able to do it, so you hit got it. Now, if I were you, if you're going to use this thing, I would just go ahead and save it in your bookmark. And the way you do that is you just hit this little arrow right here and you just add bookmark. I already did all that. So right here, you put your text in, so I'm going to paste that text in. Bam. Here's my caption test. So here are the texts that I can pick from. And you know, let's just do something crazy. How about this one? So you just tap it, copy it. Now you're going to go back to your Instagram window that's still open, paste it over that. Bam! And it'll actually post like that. So this is definitely a hack. Instagram has nothing to do with this. And what I found in the past is Instagram doesn't necessarily like people doing things that they don't help you do. So I'm not sure how long this is actually going to work, but right now it works. So if you want a crazy font, different from everybody in your feed to stand out, basically you're going to go to messletters.com. You're going to put your caption in there, copy it, bring it back, drop it in, and it works. It works right now. Hopefully it stays working. Disclaimer though, my buddy told me basically he has an Android and it doesn't really work on that. So if you look right here, you see how it's all kind of jacked up. So it might just be something that you can see on an iPhone. I'm not sure. It's something I just learned and I wanted to share it with you in case you wanted to know how to do it. So if this video did help you at all, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, basically this channel is my photography video stuff, and anything I learn, I'm going to try and teach you as well. Because we're all humans and we're all learning. So I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Consider subscribing for more stuff in the future. Peace.